Is this coin the Chainlink killer? And is it like buying Chainlink under $1? We're gonna look at this DeFi protocol and ask, should it be in your portfolio for the next 2024 bull run? It's time to discover crypto. DeFi relies on accurate data. The success of the entire DeFi market hinges on its ability to have accurate real-time data from an ever-expanding pool of blockchains. Well, we're looking at Pyth Network, and Pyth Network is rising to the top of DeFi oracles for its ability to fill this niche efficiently and reliably. Pyth Network amasses price data from tons of publishers at the same time to create an aggregated median price that is precise, verifiable, and instantaneous. When a price is pulled from multiple sources and one posts an outlier, the algorithms will exclude the far outlying data points, keeping the data accurate as possible. This system makes Pyth stronger against malicious actors who may try to manipulate prices. And then they'll submit a confidence interval, which assists in finding the true median price between publishers with a valid input. Now, most oracles are only updating the prices every 5 to 10 minutes from fewer sources. But in crypto, that's like trying to swim through jello.
Just slimy and slippery.
Trading, lending, and borrowing in cryptocurrencies at prices that happened 5 minutes ago could massively alter the financial outcome of this transaction. In the current oracle model, prices are updated on-chain at set intervals, which is subject to high gas fees and at the mercy of congestion of the network. All the while, prices are going stale. Pyth streams prices off-chain with signatures that are validated by on-chain smart contracts, and then that data is pulled on-chain only when needed. When the price data is required, a wormhole message passing protocol is initiated that will send the data onto the blockchain. So Pyth operates on the Solana mainnet and on its own PythNet, and recently released its governance token, Pyth. Pyth sources data from multiple parties, unlike Chainlink, which uses a third-party source, making its information easily traceable. Some would say that opens up the system to be gamed even further. But already, Pyth has expanded from only servicing Solana back in 2021 to operating with 45 different blockchains, which accounts for 25% of the Oracle market. I would say that's pretty bullish for Pyth as we move into the next wave of blockchain infrastructure. Oftentimes in tech, when an entity gets too big, sometimes they're not able to pivot as quickly and easily. Pyth is looking to fill that niche. And the way that PythNet is set up, it allows for the lowest fees possible and evades congestion, while all the while making data instantaneous. Then, when a transaction is performed with that data, it automatically updates the price again before initializing the operation. So this is a superior method for tracking asset prices, but why cover it now if it's been around for years? Well, just a few weeks ago, Pyth released their native governance token, so a new investment opportunity is stemming from the success of this project. $77 million worth of Pyth was just airdropped to the early users last week, and already that value has increased significantly. And after seeing Chainlink print some wicked green candles in the last bull run, similar oracles stand to have a lot to gain in this next cycle. There's an opportunity to get in early on this platform that's already proven its salt as an effective DeFi tool with widespread adoption. And Pyth is partnered with some of the biggest trading platforms in the industry. They recently partnered with Binance, Huobi, KuCoin, and OKX as the publisher for their price data. Pyth also powers Synthetics, TradingView, Venus, and Hashflow, plus hundreds of others. Pyth can be used for voting as well. The token can be purchased on Binance and then staked to get voting rights within the Pyth DAO. And according to their white paper, there will be a max supply of 10 billion tokens, with 52% going to the ecosystem, 22% going to publisher rewards, and 10% to protocol development. And that leaves 16% left. 16% of the tokens will be dedicated to the community and private sales. But what's the token unlock schedule? Here we have it up right now. You can see some chunks of supply coming out at 6 months, 18 months, 30, and 42 months after its initial release. So keep an eye out for these token unlocks. So what do we think about Pyth? Now there's a lot of runway ahead for Pyth, and if it were to accelerate like Chainlink, we could be seeing really massive gains in altitude from where it's at now. It has some bullish origins as well. Pyth originated out of Jump Crypto. This is a Chicago-based trading firm and has been audited numerous times with different security checks. There's no major red flags at the moment that could discourage investors from taking a chance on this project, so we're keeping an eye out on it. Pyth is pretty straightforward, and the PythNet has already become a proven utility in DeFi. There's definitely positive opportunity for the growth of this token, and its relationship to Solana is also noteworthy. Potentially some Solana traders could be looking to take some profits in Solana and to put it out in different tokens in the ecosystem. Clearly, we're going to be keeping an eye out on this token, and let us know in the comments if you're ready to get some Pyth in your bags. Now, I might not have giant pythons, but I would like a giant Pyth bag. And so I'm DZ, and hopefully we'll see you at the top in our Pyth bags loaded.